Turn it off. Your engine bay needs some gloss.
Yeah.
It's all gone. Well, I guess it was never there. It was never there. All right, guys, so it is a couple days later, and we haven't really touched the BMW. It's been sitting out here in front of the shop. We're gonna pull it over, give it a quick little hand wash, and kind of be able to take a look at it. Eric checked the fluids and everything on it the other day, and I think he topped off the battery too. So I don't know if it's gonna start. It might start. Oh, I forgot this door handle. This door handle does some weird stuff. So open her up. Right here, you can tell it has a ton of parts in it. So we have the rear diff, we have some sports seats, we have some brand new tires for it. There we go. Open that guy out. Look, it's got a radio in it. I forgot. I think it has Bluetooth too. Nice little. You can see how dirty this thing is from the drive from Florida on the back of the transport truck. You can see in the back we have all of the tires and everything that we had. Back is on there. Now we take this handy dandy key. I think she's gonna fire right up again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're ripping. Now where's the window switch? Look at this. Look at that. That's what it is. The window switch was right there. I think we removed it. Look at the Drift HQ handbrake. So we have some really cool plans with this thing over the course of the next month or so. I think you guys are gonna really like it. This thing has some pretty good parts on it. If you guys didn't watch those videos from when we were down in Florida, it has the full CNC 71 angle kit. It has BC Racing coils on it. We have I think that's like a bride seat, which needs replaced because it looks a little ugly, but it worked really good when we were down there. Angle kit, M3 bumpers, side skirts, trim on the sides. And you can see these headlights, they've definitely seen better days. So I'm gonna see if Eric, since he's polishing the headlights on his Civic, if he just wants to, you know, walk over there and give those ones a quick little polish. I want to give this thing a hand wash, take out everything that was actually inside pull out anything that's like in the trunk and all that, and then take it for a drive down the street, see how it's running. They probably just need it like washed, but you know, they could use a little bit of this too. Look at that. I don't know. The rusty hood is interesting. It definitely rusted nice. We got diff, tires, seat, all kinds of heavy things in here that need to come out. So now that she has a decent little wash, we can kind of see what we're working with here. I mean, the car was abandoned in Florida for, I think, a little over a year and a half. We went down there December of 2023, and we had a little E36, like cheap E36 Matsuri there at the LZ compound. It was a lot of fun, but as you can see, Rudnick and LZ and Grant and everybody they were playing with my door a little bit, because this was the part of the track where you could really get. So the driver's side of the car is in really, really good shape, but then look at that. Look how beautiful. No door marks, no nothing. But this side needs a little bit of work, which obviously all we got to do is get a piece of trim, get another door, push out that fender a little bit, and this thing will continue to be a really, really solid little track car. So yeah, I want to take it for a rip down the street, see how it goes, and then I think we need to unload some of the diff and the axles and all that heavy stuff from inside of it. Brakes need some help. I see a lot of this stuff could go on eBay. If you're wondering about this, don't worry about that. We have center console, like the little ashtray stuff. Like, we have everything good. Rear view mirror, everything to make this car pretty nice. It's all good stuff. I'm a hoarder, and I kept it. Oh, she had heated seats too. So we're gonna take Eric for a rip in the old BMW. We'll see how this unit handles. I had a good time. The brakes definitely need some help. What's that? Kind of feels good to be back. Basically at LZ's it was, and then it was just drift as fast as you can. The last E36 that we had, though, that thing was kind of cool.
Not this quick. This thing's got some torque.
Yeah, the 2.8 hits a little different. Too.
Yeah.
We could definitely do a couple more mods with like the M50 intake manifold. That spices them up just a little bit. Yeah, definitely need to bleed the brakes.
Feels like it handles good though.
Yeah, it feels good. See, watch. BMW's ripping. It like didn't skip a beat.
Oh.
Like the engine just sounds super.
Yeah, that was nice.
Super happy. It's smooth. Tranny shift's good. It's the good transmission. It's the ZF, which is means that she's gonna be ready for some track days here soon. So pretty much we're planning on doing some cool stuff with this thing in the very short future. I want to take these guys to the track, let them learn to drift it.
Nice.
See, like you and Sean, and then I want Jamie to drive it. I think it'll be really fun.
I feel like it's a super sweet chassis.
And then I mean, they call it the superior chassis. I mean, that's the reason like LZ's messing with them. Like Chelsea Denofa says this is literally the best drift chassis ever. And especially with this, like the 328 IS, 99, so it has the 2.8, got the big ZF tranny, it's got the good one, you know, all the way around. And it's the coupe, so it's got the good wheelbase. It's a sick car. We're gonna do a couple more ribs. The Blakes need bread is what they need. This thing just works. Also, that was CGI. Let me know what you guys think of this video. I'm stoked to be ripping this thing again, and appreciate you watching. See you later. Well, see you in tomorrow's video.